unit nutrition. First unit nutrition. So in nutrition, I am giving some questions, and you need to write what answer to the following questions. Formative assessment. And formative assessment consists of part A. Come on, tell me part A. Part A consists of what? Section 1. Part A consists of section 1. Here you see, answer all the following questions. Answer all the following questions. Each question carries 1 mark. And write answers in 1 or 2 sentences. 1 or 2 sentences. Here 3 questions are there. 3 into 1, 3 marks. And now I am telling you the questions that are given for formative assessment. So first question, what are saprophytes? Give examples. What are saprophytes? Give examples. So this information is at page number 12. Page number 12. There you see saprophytic nutrition. Examples are given: mushrooms, yeast, mushrooms and yeast, and bread mold. And they digest the food outside the body and they absorb through the body surface. And that type of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition, and they are called saprophyte. Give example means you need to give what example? Yeast, bread mold, and mushrooms are example for saprophyte. And next question, and this is AS1 question. This is AS1, Academic Standard 1. AS1 means Academic Standard 1. And now I am telling you what will happen if chloroplasts are absent in plant. What will happen if chloroplasts are absent in the plant? Come on, tell me. They are not preparing food, and all animals they die because of what?
Water.
Food scarcity. So here chloroplasts are necessary for what purpose? Preparation of food. If they are absent, plants they are not prepare food, and finally plants also die, and also all other organisms also die. So that answer you will try. So this question is what question? AS2. AS2. AS2 means asking questions and hypothesis. You are hypothesis. Okay, you are imagining. And name and write the parts of the given diagram. So here there is a diagram. So this is the page number 12. Page number 12. And this you will write. And this is the page number 12. There you see amoeba. And amoeba nutrition is given. And here you see this is the part. This is the part. These are the parts. And these parts are called as pseudopodia. And this is called nucleus. Pseudopodia and nucleus. Write the parts of amoeba. Pseudopodia and also amoeba. So in this way you need to write answer to the 3 questions. 1 or 2 sentences. 1 or 2 sentences. So first question is what are saprophytes? Give example. And second question, what will happen when chloroplasts are absent in the plant? And third question is name and given diagram. Okay, this part is over. This is section 1. Part A, section 1. And now I am telling you section 2. I am telling you what? Section 2. Here section 2 consists of 3 questions. 4, 5, 6. Answer all the following questions. No choice. Each question carries 4 marks. 2 marks. Right answers in 2 or 4 sentences. 3 into 2, 6 marks. And this section carries 6 marks. Listen, children. Here, prepare a flow chart showing human digestive system. And this there is a flow chart, that is page number 16. Then open your textbook, page number 16. See a flow chart of human digestive system. Come on, read. Food, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx. Page number 16. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, pancreas, and liver. So this is the flow chart, and this flow chart you need to write. You need to write in boxes. Okay. And this is AS5 question. AS5 question. AS5 question. Next you see what questions you will ask your teacher to know about health hazards of obesity. Obesity means what? Becoming fat. Suppose if you eat more food, if you take more energy food, and what will take place? Your body size increases, and your growth, your body weight increases, and you get what different types of diseases. So for that, you need to ask some question to whom? Teacher. Your teacher. What is obesity? How a person become obese? And what are the health hazards of obesity? And what are the diseases they get if a person get obesity? Like that, you need to frame some questions and you need to write here. So these are the, and this is academic standard 2, AS2. This is AS5, and this is, come on tell me, AS2. AS2 question. And now I am telling you 6 questions. Write the reason for malnutrition. And this is the page number 18. Come on tell me. See, page number 18 or 17. See, 17. Malnutrition is given. And reasons also given. What are the reasons for malnutrition? So here, poor health. Underline it. Willful starvation. Lack of awareness of nutrition qualities of food. And socio-economic factors. And these are the reasons for malnutrition. What are the reasons for malnutrition? And there are 4 reasons for malnutrition. So first one is willful starvation, poor health, lack of awareness of nutrition qualities of food, socio-economic factors are reasons for malnutrition. So here I told you how many questions in section 2? 3 questions. So section 1, how many questions are there? 3 questions are there. Now I am telling you section 3. Children, listen. This is section 3. So section 3 consists of what? Answer all the questions. Answer all the questions. There is internal choice. There is internal choice. So here you see or. Next you see or. There is internal choice. Answer each question in 8 to 10 sentences. First question I am telling you. Write about steps of light dependent reactions of photosynthesis. And this question answer is there. Page number 11. Page number 11 you see mechanism of photosynthesis. Light reaction, dark reaction. You need to write only light reaction. Step 1 is there, step 2 there. Step 1, step 2 and small information is there. And there are more than 8 lines are there. And that answer you need to write here. Okay, I am reading it once again. Write about steps of light dependent reactions of photosynthesis or describe the structure of chloroplast with a label diagram. Page number 10. Describe the structure of chloroplast with a label diagram. So here a pair of questions are there. 2 questions are there. And out of 2 questions, how many questions you need to write? Only 1. This is one set. One set you write only 1 question. Either this one or this one. And next, another 8th question. Here also there are 2 questions are there. And this is the 8th question, first question. And here there is a table. And these 2 questions are AS1 question. AS1 and this also AS1 questions. And now this is not AS1 question. AS4 question. This is AS4 question. So AS1 is concept understanding. AS2 is asking question and hypothecation. And AS3 is experimental field patient. AS4 is information skill. AS4. This is AS4 question. AS4 question. So here you see, and this is a table. And this table is there in your textbook, page number 15. And here you see, I make it short. Name 1, 2, 3, 4 enzymes are given. And name of the enzyme, digestive juice, act of product. I gave only 4 parts, 4 divisions. Tyling. This is name of the enzyme. Digestive juice, saliva. Act on carbohydrates. Product, maltose. Pepsin, gastric juice. Protein, peptone. Next, bile juice, fat emulsification.
of fat.
Emulsification means digestion of fats into glycerol and fatty acids. And amylase, pancreatic juice, secreted by pancreatic juice. And it handles carbohydrates and the product is maltose sugar. So this is the table, and you need to analyze it and read it carefully. And below you see questions are there. So here Roman letters are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first question. See this diagram. Which digestive juice has no enzyme? Bile. Correct. Which digestive juice has no enzyme? Here there is no enzyme. Bile juice. I gave only bile juice. Actually, bile is not an enzyme. It is a juice which has no enzyme. Bile juice. And next, what is the other name of ptyalin? What is the other name of ptyalin? Amylase. Ptyalin is also called amylase. Ptyalin enzyme is also called as amylase. And which digestive gland? Which digestive gland secretion? Which digestive gland secretes gastric juice? Which digestive gland secretes gastric juice? Gastric gland. Come and tell me. Gastric gland. So here small intestine consists of what? Gastric glands. Here which digestive gland? And all these are enzymes secreted by different types of glands. Saliva one means of salivary gland. Gastric juice one means of gastric gland. Bile is one means of bile or liver. And pancreatic juice is one means of pancreas. And here digestive glands means you need to write what? Gastric gland. Come and tell me. Gastric gland. And which enzyme digests carbohydrates to maltose? So two enzymes are there. Ptyalin is there and also amylase. And write two names. Ptyalin and also enzyme. And these two enzymes are digesting carbohydrates to maltose. Now we are discussing what? Section 3. Section 3, one question is already discussed. So here R over R. Next another table is there. And this also AS4 question. This also AS4 question. Out of 2 you need to write what? Only 1 but not 2. So this question is there and this table is there, page number 19. Page number 19, vitamin. So there you see vitamins are table given. So B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin, ascorbic acid, retinol, calciferol, tocopherol, piloquinol. Like that you see how many vitamins are there? 13 vitamins are there. But I am giving only 4. Not all. So it is a big table. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Vitamin, resources, deficiency disease and symptoms. So first is thiamine. It is also called B1 vitamin. B1 vitamin also called as thiamine. And resources, cereals, oil, milk, vegetables. In this vitamin B is present. B1 is present. And deficiency causes beriberi disease. And what are the symptoms you observed? Vomiting, fits, loss of appetite. And then second vitamin is riboflavin. This is B2 vitamin. Milk, eggs, vegetable, Glasses disease. Symptom, mouth cracks at the corner and scaly skin. Niacin. B3. Kidney, liver, fish. These are resources. And disease, pellagra and dermatitis and diarrhea are the symptoms. And last one is pyridoxine. This is B6. And seven, oils, milk, meat, eggs. Anemia disease. Hyperreadability and also nausea, fits. So these are the symptoms of disease. Now 4 questions are there. How many questions are there? 4 questions are there. First question. What is the other name of thiamine? B1. B1. The other name of vitamin thiamine is B1. And what is the other name for riboflavin? B2. And what is the name for niacin? B3. What is the name for pyridoxine? B6. B6. So here second question is which vitamin deficiency causes glassy disease? Riboflavin. That is the disease. Name the resources of vitamin niacin. Niacin is present in, come on, right? Kidney, liver, and fish. And fourth question, what are fat soluble vitamin? Actually, in this table, fat soluble vitamins are not there. But there in the 19th table, you see fat soluble A, D, E, K. table, vitamins also. You need to read all the vitamins which are given in page number 19. So actually in this table, those vitamins are not there, but you need to write. Okay. So that is for remembering. Whether you are remembering all the vitamins or not. So this is the fourth question. Now we are discussing part B. Part B. Part A, section 1, section 2, section 3. Now we are discussing part B, section 4. And this section 4 consists of what? MCQ question, multiple choice question. MCQ, multiple choice question. So how many questions we are giving? Tell me. 6 questions. So answer all the following questions. Each question carries half mark. And write A, B, C, D like that. Write only capital letters. Don't write small letters. So here, ninth bit. This is first bit. Photosynthesis takes place in. Photosynthesis takes place in. Photosynthesis takes place in. A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Chloroplast. D. Ribosome. Answer is chloroplast. In chloroplast, photosynthesis takes place. Next, solution used in Morse half-life experiment. So iodine, no. Betadine, no. Paraffin, no. KOH, right. Potassium hydroxide is right. And next, and here you see, dot reaction takes place. Page number 11. Stroma, grana, thyroid, matrix. Stroma is correct. The stroma, dot reaction takes place. Dot reaction takes place in stroma. Light reaction takes place in grana. Answer is stroma. Right? Capital letters only, but not small letters. And page number 19. Sunshine vitamin. Sunshine vitamin. So here, when you are stand in sun, and you are getting what? Vitamin from sun. And sunshine vitamin, thiamine, niacin, calciferol, retinol. So what is the vitamin that is present in sun? Which vitamin is sunshine vitamin? Calciferol. And cytosome is present in. So cytosome is a small opening, an aperture that is present only in paramecium, but not in amoeba. Paramecium, amoeba, hydra, euglena. Answer? Paramecium. Right, only calculated. And microvilli. So I told you 157 and also 14 page also. Microvilli. Diagram is there. And here page number 14 also there. Microvilli. Microvilli are present in, and they are useful for absorption of food, digestion food. And they are present not in mouth. And they are present in small intestine, not in large intestine, not in rectum. Answer is small intestine. So in this way, we need to write what? Formative assessment. So part A, part B, section 1, section 2, section 3, and also part B, section 4. Section 1, 3 questions, 3 marks. Section 2, 3 questions, 3 questions into 2 marks, 6. Section 4, 4 questions are there. Write only 2 questions. Actually 2 questions. Out of 2, you take only 1. And they are giving page. Out of 2, write 1. Out of 2, write 1. 2 into 4, 8. And part B, section 4. How many bits are there? 6 bits. Each bit carrying half mark. Total marks? 3 marks. Total formative marks? 20. So that is brief description about formative assessment. And this paper we designed, I prepared from first unit nutrition.